Okay folks, it's almost 5 o'clock on the 19th of December. That's our car parked in the driveway. This is the whiteout conditions. And this is a ruler, or a yardstick. And my guess is that we're looking at somewhere in this neighborhood depth. So here goes. Whoa! 17 inches, okay? We're on the driveway. Alright, there's the car. That's a pretty, that's an ooh, I hear a plow. Well, we're supposed to have a Christmas party tonight, but let me tell you folks, it's about 17 inches of snow coming up this street. And I don't think people are going to make it up. That's the house. That's the snow falling. And this is me. And here's all our friends parked here. Alright, so we have friends, but they can't get up. Here comes a little... ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here comes the plow, baby. Watch this. We're going to let them come right through here. Oh yeah, you know, I just was praying earlier that we'd have a plow come up. Oh, why is he lifting his thing up? Come on, buddy. Oh, look at him. Here he comes, look. Beautiful! Beautiful! Oh yeah! That's awesome! There we go. Oh yeah! Talk about an answer to your prayers, huh? Look at that! You know it's Jesus doing that to that thing. Alright, man. Awesome, baby. Hey, maybe we'll have a party after all. That is sweet. You got it on video, too.